Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're headed for Fantasyland at Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated. Keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we head into the American wilderness, we'll pass by the dusty desert town of Tumbleweed. And keep your eyes peeled for the runaway mine trailers that follow the mountain railroad. Now I ask you, that will be the as you ride home through the prairies and forests of the American wilderness, these woods haven't changed much since the days when settlers started getting west. Nowadays, trails can carry us safely through the wild, and trips that used to take months now be made in just a few minutes. There's plenty of deer, antelope, and elk to feed along the banks of the river. And naturally, plenty of early settlers decided to put down stakes and live here too. Of course, those early settlers weren't the first to make their home at this wild frontier. These native tribes of the plains
living, hunting, and trading for centuries before we ever came along. They were the first to tame the wild horses of the American plains, long before our big old iron horses started chugging through these parts.
Oh, you saw the picture?
We're almost out of the woods, folks. We're coming up on the most magical of lands, Fantasyland, a place where any dream can come true. Fly over London with Peter Pan. Set sail on It's a Small World. Take a trip under the sea with the Little Mermaid. Or be our guest at an enchanted feast in the Beast's castle. Whether you're a pixie, a princess, or just an everyday dreamer, there's always something special about Fantasyland. Riding trains as long as this old-timer, and may remember the days when the circus would come to town on the local railway. Well, the circus is here. It's set up permanent headquarters as the Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to fly high with Dumbo. A rollicking ride of circus acrobatics and coaster thrills. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your belongings and carry your strollers away from the platform before you start unfolding them. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those of you disembarking, please watch your step. Thanks for traveling with us on the Walt Disney World Railroad. Join us again real soon. If you stay aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
Ladies, remain seated until the train comes to a final stop and you hear the words all clear. This is Fantasyland Family Circus, also the closest stop for Tomorrowland. All clear. Welcome, Fantasyland.